Hi guys, this is Evie. Welcome to one of my luxury unboxings on a budget. Today I'm going to unbox for you the Essential Collection Carry-On Suitcase in the color Monica Sand, thanks to MVST Select Company, who kindly gifted me this suitcase so I can review it for you guys. Okay, so let's start with our unboxing. This is how it came in this box that says the Essential Collection. Once we open the box, we can see that the suitcase comes very well covered in this beautiful cotton dust bag that has the brand of the company, that is MVST Select. As you see, it feels very luxurious material, very beautiful. Something to note about this suitcase is that it's made of a durable 100% virgin German polycarbonate shell, which is nice. And here we can see also that it has this soft grip telescopic handle, which feels very smooth. It has also innovative silent rebearing precision wheels. Very beautiful. And here we have premium leather handles. The stitching feels great and amazing. It has also the newest TSA approved combination lock. Very beautiful. Here is the logo of the company, and the zippers run so smoothly, guys. As you see, this is the combination lock I was telling you about. Very nice, guys. So I will show you how you can close it using that. Okay, so this is how we lock it. We put this here, and we create any serial number of our choice, and that's how you get it locked. And to open it, you just put the same code that you put. All right. Okay, so that's how you get it opened. It runs so smooth. This is beautiful, guys. The quality is amazing. Everything, and it's not too heavy. I would say it's around 3 kilos, 600 grams. Very beautiful material. The dimensions are 36 by 56 centimeters. Very beautiful quality. Okay, so let's see what we have inside. And as always, guys, as I keep opening the suitcase, let me tell you that you will find all the details of this seller in my description box and on my comment section, so you get the best deals, guys, together with the discount code. And also I will attach it here on the video so you can get the best deals and prices and quality. Okay, so once we open our suitcase, we can see that we have here these two straps to adjust the clothes or whatever we have inside. Here we see this that is made of a very luxurious material, like a beige color, gold tone, something like that, guys. This is one compartment for putting probably documents, which is nice and very practical. The straps are made of a very thick nylon material with leather. Here you find the MVST logo in leather material. Another compartment here for putting chargers probably, or whatever you want to put on it, guys. And inside here we have another zip compartment, which is amazing, guys. And once we open it, we can find here these that are amazing. Here you have shoe bags, guys. Very beautiful to keep everything tidy inside. And here you have a laundry bag. So gorgeous. We also find this little card box that says MVST, that once we open it, we can find the manual, as you see here. Then we have some stickers, leather stickers, where you can stick it to your suitcase, just to put there your name, for example. Also, here you have a luggage tag, which is amazing, guys. Let me tell you, this is made of a leather material. So gorgeous, guys. Very, very nice. And finally, you find this magic eraser. So you use this to clean your suitcase, to remove all the stains, guys. So this is amazing. Let me show you how you do it. And that's it. So you got the whole kit here. I really love it. Thank you so much, MVST Select Company, for giving me this beautiful suitcase. And guys, this product is amazing because it's so aesthetic and the color is beautiful. It feels so premium. So if you want to take advantage of the price and get the best deals, guys, don't forget to use my discount code that I'm attaching here. So you will get the best product, guys, and no regrets about it. Thank you so much for watching my video. This was my review for today, and I will see you next time on another luxury unboxing on a budget. Bye bye.